Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome to the Ruby tutorials for beginners. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Ruby. Alright, so you can go ahead and navigate to ruby-link.org, and that's the main website of Ruby, that's the official one. And you can go ahead and click on download Ruby. Now, if you're running on Mac OS X, chances are you probably have Ruby installed, and you can check that by opening up the terminal and typing in ruby-v. And you can see that I have Ruby 2.4. Now that's not the newest version, the newest one is 2.5, but it's perfectly fine and I'm not going to upgrade my Ruby. If you don't have it installed, you can just scroll down a little bit and it says ways of installing. Now here you can choose all the options depending on your OS. Now for Windows, you can click on Ruby installer, you can just download it, it's really straightforward, it's really easy to install, just continue on clicking next and eventually you'll install it. And if you're on OS X or Linux, you can do with RVM, which is not really easy to do in my opinion. Also with RBNV, it's not really complicated, but it's not super easy. So what I would recommend doing is installing brew if you don't, and if you already have homebrew, just type in brew install Ruby, and that will download the latest version of Ruby for you. I'm not going to do it because I have 2.4 and I'm perfectly fine with it. Alright, so once you've installed Ruby, you can type in IRB on Linux on Mac, and that will open the interactive Ruby, and here you can do, for example, define a variable that says hello, and you can see that we're basically typing in Ruby. If you're on Windows, what you can do is you can open the interactive Ruby from the start section, from the Ruby section of your start menu. You'll see that option when installing it. Now to exit IRB, you just type on exit and you're good. Alright, so that was pretty much how you install Ruby, and I'll see you in the next video.